to Vision MBA, guys. So today I'm going to share a very great news, and that is the CET registration dates have been extended. Yes, you heard it right. The CET dates have been extended till 11th of May. So all the candidates who are planning to give MBA this year and haven't yet filled the form, this is the last opportunity that you guys can grasp and go and fill the form right now. It's there on the official website. I'll share the link in the description box below. So guys, the dates have been extended. The exam also have been delayed till August. So yes, it's in good news for all the aspirants. They have got time for the preparation and they can again reschedule all their plans and everything and start focusing on the studies and start preparing for the exam. And yes, not to forget, go and fill the form, those who haven't. And if you need any help or any guidance regarding the form or for the application, please get in touch with us. Also, there's going to be a new batch for all the candidates who are filling the registrations right now, or who couldn't fill the registrations or thought that the exam was going to be there in the month of June, and they were thinking that we shouldn't start their preparation or something, and there is only hardly a month left for the preparation. So for all those candidates, there's going to be a new batch. So please get in touch with us and let's get started with this book for MBA CET and start your preparation. Thank you so much, guys.